Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, triple Q and SPY gapping up on a clear uptrend. Not sure whether it can hold. The Fed is going to come out with their policies regarding interest rates today around 2 p.m. Eastern. So morning, I'm expecting the markets to be slow. And then after the news come out, it can turn volatile. So I'm expecting a slow day today, but going into market open, I'll be watching SPY and SPX for potential short or call opportunities. We do have around 30 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching SPY. The option premiums looks very expensive, so just giving it some time. Not looking to jump in very quickly. 10 minutes into the day, no trades as of yet. Just watching. Sitting on the sidelines, not feeling confident about the setups. Placing an order at 7, anticipating a fail. Out of 2. Not looking to add now. Added at 670. Out. $200 again. I'll take it. The option premiums are not moving quickly and it's very pricey today. I'm around 80 points out of the price. Currently it's trading around 3,880 and I was trading the contract around 3,800 and it was priced at $7. That's not the usual price. So happy to be green. $200 in 22 minutes. No reasons to complain. SPX is not trading the usual way because by this time probably option volume would be in the 5,000s or 8,000s. But today we're not seeing that much volume. So I think we may not get decent moves. Maybe once the Fed comes out with their policy actions, we may get some volume and price action. But right now looks like a slowdown. I think it would be a good time for me to call the day off. An okay day of trading, making $200 in 22 minutes. I'll be happy with that. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basis and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.